everyone, welcome back to AK Coding. Today is the fourth day of learning jQuery and I'm very happy to see you here. Today's topic is about jQuery effects. If you're ready, let's get started. jQuery provides built-in functions for animations and effects, and which is common effects like hide, show and toggle, as we used in the previous videos, and in this video we are going to learn more deeper. So hide and show. Hide, which hides the element, and show, which means shows an element, and toggle means it will hide and also it will show. How we can do this in jQuery using. So I have already linked my script, right? The script file. So now I'm going to write script here, and inside of it we'll be writing the jQuery. And now I'm going to declare one button for this, and I'm going to write, for example, submit, maybe, right? Submit, and I'm going to give for this a ID called subbed. And now here what I'm going to write, $sign with ID, right? Subbed dot hide. So we can write hide. We can use this one, hide, show and click, which is the toggle one. So if I write hide, which means it will hide this. So if I open this in the live server, so we're not seeing the button because we hide it already. So if I remove this, we'll be seeing the button. So now I'm going to do what? When I click on this, I'm going to add a text here. That text will be removed and it will be hidden. So let's add a text, for example, P lorem, right? Maybe 7. Okay, now we have a text. When I click this, it will hide, right? And when I again click this, it should show. But we can do this with toggle. First of all, what I'm going to here, I'm going to do here $sign subbed dot click. When it's clicked, so it will come a function, and here we'll be writing $sign dot hide with P. Yeah, if I click now, it will be hidden. So but if I again click it, it's not showing. So in order to make it show, what we have to do, so we have to write another code for that. So we need to write for the second one, it should show it. So what do you think if we write here this? Does this works? No, it doesn't work, because you're writing that show and hide in one function, so it doesn't work. So what we are going to do here, we can do this for the second click in order to show this, or we can hide it here and we can show it here. And now it's no, there is no, right, the text, and if I click on this, it's showing, and when I again click this, it's not going back. So in order to do this, we need a toggle, which is the toggle method. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this and remove this. I'm going to write $sign P dot toggle. We don't need this instead of value. And if I click on this, so as you can see, it's toggling. So it's showing and hiding, right? So this is a toggle. So the next thing is fade effects. So fade out an element, fade in an element, and fade toggle. So we have fade out, fade in, and fade toggle. So let's see this methods too. So I'm going to here remove the toggle. Instead of toggle, I'm going to write fade in, right? And let's see the output. So nothing happens because it's already showing here. So what we can do this, we can write fade out for that because it's already shown. So fade out, as you can see, when it's disappearing, it's fading out. Actually it's not being hidden, it's just disappearing and it's going back. And if I wanted to write, for example, if I write here $P, which is fadeIn, no, fadeOut, actually, not in, fadeOut, right? So we can write here fadeIn, and then we can see the output. Okay, you see? So let's reload the page. So currently we're not seeing because it's already fade out, and if I click on this, it's coming like with a kind of smooth animation or fade, right? We have fade toggle. So if I want to use fade toggle, we can it will be the same as toggle. So we have to put simple brackets, and you can see the result. This is amazing, right? And the next thing is slide effects. We have slide effects, which is slide up and slide down, and slide toggle, which hides an element to the up and which hides an element to the down. So how we can do this? So I'm going to hide that P again, right? And I'm going to write here slide down, and if we go back, it's not going down, right? Even if we change it to slide up, and then now it's working. Because why slide down didn't work? Because we have to make it to the up first, like fade out, right? And we have to use here slide down. So now it's up, and if I use this, it's coming back from top to down, right? And the next thing is we can use is slide toggle, which is the same as toggle and fade toggle. So if I click on this, it goes first to the top and it comes back from top to the bottom. So we can do the reverse even. For example, we can make it first to the down and P dot slide down, and it's actually in the down and it's coming back like this. So this is amazing. So the next thing is summary. So in this video you have learned about hide, show and toggle, and you know what is hide and show, and we saw fade in, fade out and slide down, slide up, and this is very amazing. As you can see, if you are going to do this kind of event handling or this kind of fading or hiding or showing events, right, or actions, you will have to write a bunch of code in JavaScript. But as you can see, we're writing only one line of code, and this is very amazing. If you have any questions, just comment below, and if you want to master your web development, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. See you in the next videos.